Alright, now we gotta figure out how we're gonna fix this problem. Come over here and look at it. We gotta make it look more like that. But that's 3/4 inch taller up. We know there's a lot of meat there.
Definitely, yeah.
Ton of meat we can cut away. The problem is cutting away is getting to it. So this direction, cutting away like this. You're cutting on the tip. Tips don't work very well. They don't cut. So we're going to want to come in this direction.
Ooh, that's tight.
You can cut the piss out of it right through here. Now this one's no problem, so you can get to it. See how the cutter's inside the tool port too, though? See, it'll be inside the port doing it. See? Small tool. But see this one over here, we don't have access to it. Can't do that. Can't get that from that side. We can cut right here, but I can't move it. It's just going to dig a hole. You know, start bouncing around, it'll break a cutter off too. The tool can't move, and the bit's trying to move around. See, it gets stuck in there. Now, once I cut it deeper, I might have some access, but there's a wall right here that's in the way. On the side. So you got to figure out what you're going to do before you do it. Now you look at it from this side, you get a totally different perspective of what you're dealing with. See the difference? So you got to try to make them the same, or at least similar.
Similar.
All right. So this one we got no access to because of the wall in the way. So, you have a long cutter. You go through here. See this wall right here? This side. See that wall right there?
Right.
You get past that wall and get up where you need to go. The thing is, how much wall thickness do you have in here before you cut through the side of the hip?
Not a whole lot.
Alright. With a depth gauge. About that much. Minus 1/8 of an inch if you can't get in there. You can probably take out 3/16 if you want to. But if you cut too much, it's going to be a problem.
Make it weak.
The other problem is all that hot gas hitting right there will give you a hot spot melt through.
Huh.
That's another problem. It's more like how much you want to risk. Risk, reward. Screw it, ain't my head. Like that?
I didn't.
What am I doing damage over here I don't want to know about? Nothing. So we got a hole in there now, see? Trough. See, you gotta look at an angle like right here. That's our angle, see? Our angle of attack. So we're making a gateway for air to come through. We have a gateway. I like 1/2 inch cutter, that's enough gateway to do something. You don't need to be more than 1/2 inch. You gotta have a 1/2 inch. Now you don't want to cut too much of your guide boss away either. That's another thing we're whacking on pretty hard too. There's a lot of things we're cutting in there. that approximately. Lack of airflow or something. It's working. Working better now. Okay, I don't want to keep cutting deeper there because I don't know what she's doing. Alright, she's cut. Pretty deep. Turn around the other way to see if damage it. Oh my god, look what I did. Poured all over. Let's see what we can do from this side. Normally I don't taper into a guide like this,
Yeah.
but I know that thing's 3/4 of an inch, over ½ inch deeper on the other head.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So, I ain't hurting it. It's going to crack right through that edge, but later on just whack the whole thing off and be fine.
Sure.
Straight down, which doesn't cut very good.
Mm.
See, I'm leaving 2 troughs. Loading up.
way better.
Looks like a real port. It'll probably outflow the other one now, then a big hole in it.
Yeah. Yeah. Huge difference.
Wind it out a little bit. Using this side, and as soon as you do to fix your problem, you just throw it in on that side. Look at it from that angle. I just got to go in there and blend it all in.
That looks good.
All through here, just got to clean it up a little bit. Now we got a kind of airflow through there now.
Sure do.
Pretty good airflow. Can't get in there with this. This is not exactly a smoothing bit.